Welcome to Unity Desktop Web, a web-based application that combines call control, instant messaging, unified directories and telephony configuration. At the top of the interface, the call control buttons enable users to answer and release a call, dial, transfer, place a call on hold, conference, enable voice recording and access voicemail. Clicking the chat button will open the chat window on the right side of the screen. Users can then simply drag and drop a name from their contacts to begin instant messaging. Live calls are presented in the active call window. To answer an inbound call, click on the answer icon. Users can protect caller privacy and sensitive information by activating and deactivating call recording dynamically at any point during a call. To conference a call, simply drag and drop a contact into the active call window. After they have answered and the initial call is placed on hold, click the conference icon to begin the conference. To end a call, click Release. The Contacts panel at the bottom of the screen displays up to 30 monitored users. Right-clicking on a contact provides a range of options, which allows users to call the contact, view user details, copy number, and add an entry to the personal directory. Users can also customize the appearance of their contacts panel. Managing users enables the adding and removing of contacts. This is done by simply clicking the users and the right and left arrows to add and remove them from the monitored list. The Call Logs tab provides users with access to call records. You can select between missed calls, received calls, and dialed calls. These logs provide key information such as the caller name, their number, and the call date. The Voicemail tab enables users to access their voicemail records. Clicking the play icon will start the voicemail, whilst right-clicking will provide a range of voicemail options. On the top right-hand side, a user can configure their in-office profile. This menu includes a wide range of availability options. Call forwarding always and remote office can be activated, and users can also use the out-of-office assistant to leave notes for other agents indicating their status. With Unity Desktop Web, enhance workforce collaboration and manage communication with ease.